Whether it's your first time riding a motorcycle or you're getting back to riding after having years away, here's what you need to know to ride today.
All right, how to ride a motorcycle. Step 1, turn on your ignition. Pull in the clutch, stir up the bike. From here, remember you need to shift down with your left foot to get in the first gear. After that, you're going to have to switch all your gears to go from 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. You're going to have to go up. Neutral is in between 1st and 2nd. So sometimes you'll have trouble getting your bike into neutral because you just got to find that right spot. But first gear, the only gear is the only one that you go down on. First gear, I'm going to try to make it in between these cars. And I'm still, as I'm giving the throttle, I'm just slowly letting go of the clutch. My feet are up. My clutch is, my hand's completely off the clutch. Little throttle still in first gear. I always brake by using my front brake, my hand brake. That's your front. This is your front wheel. That's like 70% of your stopping power. I always use them both evenly. Your foot one on your right foot has I think 30% of your stopping power. If you go to the MSF course, they're going to tell you to use them evenly. So now I'm in 2nd gear. So we go from, so if I was going to, so if I'm switch back to 1st, I'm riding in 1st, it's real jerky. So all I have to do is I let go of the throttle slightly because I don't want to be accelerating when I switch gears by pulling the clutch. Flip up, let go of the clutch slowly, and accelerate as I'm moving forward now that I switched to the 2nd gear. This little curve, head up. You saw I was looking down. Head up, don't get fixated on the curve. So I'm in 2nd. Just pull in your clutch, let go of the throttle, flip up, we'll slowly let go of your clutch, and you're accelerating out now that I'm in 3rd gear. Depending on the bike, you can go pretty fast. So I'm only at 4,000 RPMs. I don't redline till 8,500 RPMs, and I'm going just over 40 here. So you have a red light coming up, just pull in your clutch. I brake with both front and rear evenly. Yeah, I'm going to switch down, and I don't need to let go of the clutch each time I switch down to gears. And now I'm switched all the way down to 1st. I always put my non-braking foot down first. That's my left foot. Head up, see what's in front of you, but you don't need to look down at the pavement. Head up, look through the turn, accelerate through. Here I'm accelerating, I'm in 1st, make sure you turn off your turn signal, clutch in, flip up, accelerate through. Now I'm in 2nd. Same thing again, clutch in, now flip to 3rd, accelerate through. Each time I switch gears, I pull and clutch, let go of the throttle, flip up to 4th, and then accelerate through. And if I wanted to slow down, so what can be a little tricky when you're slowing down, say if I was going like, if I'm in 4th and I'm going like 60, which I'm going about 60 now, and all of a sudden I flip down, if I flip down to 1st too quick without slowing the bike down, you're gonna you could possibly lock out your rear tire. That's what's happened to me, not on this bike, but on my Ninja 250 many years ago. So you don't want to be going too fast for that gear because you can kind of, when I locked my rear tire, I was only for a split second, then I flipped up back into the gear I needed to be in. But normally if I want to flip down to, I'm in 4th now, I want to go down to 3rd, just let go of your throttle, pull clutch in, flip down, then throttle back up. I'm in 3rd, I'm accelerating, looking through this curve. Head up, throttle through, I switch the gears. Always important to keep your head up. Another thing, most challenging part of riding is the curve. So this just this easy curve. Keep your head up, slight lean, keep maintaining my speed, accelerate through. And it's just kind of common sense, but you'll see you'll have bikers, I don't know, when I'm in the car it seems like bikers are always tailgating me. Keep, if they pass that, you look for a landmark on the ground and you should keep maintaining like 3 seconds between you and the car roughly. And so a great example here, you're coming up to the intersection, I don't have to stop, it's a blinking yellow light. But use caution, I let go of my throttle a little bit, I'm still maintaining a decent speed because look, got this guy turning, and look at that. He was good, he didn't turn in front of me. But I was prepared for it regardless. Make sure this is a great time to be like right on the left hand side so you can see the cars can see me in their side mirrors. If I was directly behind them, I'd be in the blind spots. Be in that, be where you can see them. Oh, there's like speed bumps in the middle of the highway. I'll never understand it. What the hell's going on there? We got a semi here, see the blast. Not bad, he's going slower though. He wasn't going super fast. Probably only going like 60 maybe, probably a little slower. Dodging some of these bumps. But also I can go over them too, and it's not that bad. But the great thing about being on 2 wheels, you don't have to hit them all. You can dodge some of these. You stay stable on a bike, more stable than you realize until you start hitting those bumps, but you feel them. So if you don't want to feel like somebody's kicking you in the groin, you might want to dodge some of those bumps. Oh yeah, that's getting some major crosswinds today. Got to push against it. I'm telling you, this bike, the BMW F800R 2015, this thing's so freaking stable, it's unbelievable. Before this I had Ninja 250, oh it hurt. And then the 500, those were nice too, but they were lighter bikes. The 250, oh my god, I was getting knocked over all over the road with that. 500, not quite as bad, but this BMW takes it to that next level. But if you want more motorcycle content, ride in your 40s, or you're thinking about riding, and I'll cover some new rider, or if you've been riding a long time, check out the channel, like this video, subscribe. I plan on posting a lot of content this year since I actually can ride pain-free, which is nice. And I'm probably going to go live soon, just talking about motorcycles. Everybody likes, we all love talking about motorcycles. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.